What is the best trail camera for hunting? Here are my full reviews of the best trail camera for hunting together with key feature. So before starting this video, for more details and price click product link description. Please like, comment and subscribe this channel. GardePro A3 Trail Camera. While the specs are a bit below our best overall pick, this budget option from GardePro delivers quality images for half the cost of cameras from better-known brands. While it may be a budget camera, it still takes 20 megapixel images, records 1080p HD video, and uses a Sony image sensor. The trigger on the motion detection is also really fast at 0.1 seconds, so animals on the move won't speed past before the camera wakes up. Key features. The internal LCD allows you to easily browse menus, set up your camera, and review images without removing cards or having to connect a phone or computer. The GardePro also has a convenient operation hours feature if you prefer to set it only to capture images at certain times of day or night. It's also a fairly light camera at 1.17 pounds, so it's not a bear if you need to take it farther afield in a pack. Usogood Wi-Fi Trail Camera. This trail camera doesn't come from a name brand, but it has specs that are beyond those offered by most traditional trail camera brands, including crisp 24MP images and 126p videos. The trigger speed is about as fast as you can get at 0.2 seconds, and several images of animals sprinting past you can be captured on the camera. The internal LCD viewing screen is good enough to be able to review images and even zoom in on details, which is a big help in setting up your camera and can save you the hassle of swapping memory cards. Key features. While there are even cheaper trail cams available, most don't have the image quality of this camera. And I've found that I value the clarity of the images enough to pay a small premium. The Amazon listing often features steep discounts and coupons, making it a great camera for less than $100. Bog Blood Moon Infrared Game Camera. Many trail cameras feel like versions of the same thing, even when they're from different brands. The Bog Blood Moon camera has several unique features that set it apart from the herd, including a removable viewing dock, optional rechargeable battery pack, and lots of image metadata such as moon phases and barometric pressure. Key features. The pull-out 3-inch viewing dock is the most obvious difference from run-of-the-mill cameras. While this might seem gimmicky if you've never used a game camera, it means you can view your camera's images without taking the camera down. The larger screen size means you can actually evaluate the images in the field without needing a special reader or phone connection. Tactacam Reveal 4G LTE Trail Camera. While your average birdwatcher might not care to spend over $300 on a wildlife camera, serious hunters and those who use them for security will. The Tactacam Reveal sends imagery directly to your phone, moments after capture, allowing you to monitor areas completely remotely, removing the need to physically visit each game camera to collect media. Key features. The Reveal also boasts impressive capabilities such as 24 megapixel images and the ability to take images on command remotely as well as change menu settings from your phone. Data plans are required at a recurring cost starting at $5 per month, and you can choose between Verizon and AT&T during setup, depending on which carrier has better service in the area you're placing the camera. Cuddeback CuddeLink LTE Starter Kit. A lesser-known option that makes sense for folks placing a number of cameras on a single property is to use a set of locally networked trail cameras. The CuddeLink system pairs multiple cameras in a local network. A central camera then transmits images via cellular network on a single data plan. This can save you a lot of dough on data plans when compared to paying individually for data plans for each single camera. Key features. The cameras themselves aren't cheap, but this bundle gets you started with a central cell-connected camera plus 2 CuddeLink cameras, and you can connect up to 16 total compatible cameras.